I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World, appointed by God, Supreme Soul, Creator of the world, has appointed me as a Mother of the world and given some special responsibility for the saving entire humanity and giving pleasureful life to all living beings in the world, so that every day God is invite us some spiritual selected souls at his home and teaches us excellent lessons, spiritual lessons and social guidances lessons. And then God instructs us to convey this beautiful message to entire humanity for giving pleasureful life to all living beings in the seven beautiful world. Today, early in the morning, Amrut Vele at the Brahma Murt 3 to 5, God teaches us this excellent lesson. And now I am giving this beautiful message to entire humanity. Why majority people follow wrong practices in their lives, and what are the solutions for convert them on right practices in their lives. First, why majority people follow wrong practices in their lives? A devil lower self belly button has installed as an examiner of every single human body. This devil has used negative powers for examination of all person are living in seven beautiful world. Majority people think that there is no God. Everything can get by their own works. People follow the instructions of devil from here and doing all negative works in their lives. People follow only physical and outer religion practices, so they cannot generate spiritual energy in their hearts. Majority people know themselves only body conscious and limited boundaries as a human body and play all acts by their body's names. They believe that body is himself. Such people get their happiness and other necessities through human bodies only. Such people do shortcut and illegal ways for getting their necessities. Majority people are getting entertainments through excess practice of lusts, anger, greed, attachment, and ego. So, create many problems in their lives, societies, and all countries. Some selfish religion leaders spread wrong knowledges, hatred. Hence, innocent people are being killed. Wars and world wars are playing on the names and on the grounds of religions by such selfish religion leaders. Some selfish rulers practices by extending their country's boundaries, exploiting small countries by helping ways. Such rulers always rule by discriminations, injustice in their countries, and their country's people not getting the freedom of speech, freedom of living lives in such countries by wrong rulers, and with such rulers always rule with divide and rule policies. So such rulers generate many problems in their countries and in their areas and at last in the world too. So some solutions of convert such negative persons on positive path for right practices in their lives. First, true spiritual leaders can teach them true spiritual practices. Such negative people, if follows true spiritual practices about generate divine and spiritual energy in their hearts, then enlightenment, their lower selves and several souls installed in human bodies by divine energy generate their hearts. Such pure divine people always works good and leave all types of negativities from their lives. True spiritual masters must teach people that people are not only human bodies but they have souls inside their bodies. So these souls must be enlightenment. True spiritual masters must teach to people about souls, about supreme souls as a god. Supreme soul is a god, is a creator of the world, and also about all creations and about entire beautiful seven beautiful worlds and relationships among all humanity, and all living beings are living in seven beautiful world. All people must learn art of living and get true knowledge for spirituality and materialistic development. People must learn all types of works, values of own hard works. People must increase human values in their lives. People must leave the shortcuts path for getting entertainment through lust, anger, greed, attachment, and ego, but connect with God, then get spiritual powers for permanent pleasureful lives. Spiritual masters must teach people true knowledge of their religions, so people will love, regards, accepts all religious followers equally. Hence, killing, hatreds will stop in this world. Hence, war and world war can be stopped on the ground of true religious knowledge. Positive and real democratic rulers must be united on the world level. Such true rulers must teach to bad rulers, those are extending their boundaries, their countries. They must teach lessons about all good practices and good governance as a welfare state. Then people of the world can get pleasureful lives. These are the solutions. I am praying to all human beings and all people of the world. Please share your excellent experience of your lives on my WhatsApp number is +91 9898 375 375, so that I seek your experience, your knowledge, your ideas, your techniques, your thoughts, and I will spread your such experiences in each and every corner of the world, so that people can get benefited from your noble experiences. I am praying to Almighty God Oh God, please make your blessings of showers, your powerful, knowledgeful showers on all humanity and all living beings in the world, so that all living beings can get pleasureful life, and humanity can come out from the panic and pandemic coronavirus situations in this world nowadays. I am praying to God also. Hey God, please make us all humanity and all living beings healthy, wealthy, and full of happiness. Goodbye up to next meeting. This message I received from House of the God and conveying to all humanity as a servant of God, as a mother of the God, and as a mother of the world, and as a servant of all humanity too. This is my humble service. This message not come from my own mind, but such type of beautiful message we learn and receive from house of the God. Just I am conveying this message. I am a messenger. I am a humble servant of you people all and God too. Goodbye up to next meeting. God bless. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.